Viewers, we are bringing to you today Kebo, the riverine area of Kebo. This axis that they call Kebo, where people usually enter boats and cross over to Onitsha, and where businesses, cross intermove between Delta State and Anambra State. This area, they are doing road construction. They want to construct a road that is going to meet with the water, where it's going to be easy for vehicle to unload, and offload. Yes. So, but we decided to come around this place to see what is actually happening here based on the construction that is going on. Yes, viewers, we are moving down towards the point where the road touches the water, that is River Niger. We are having a view of the River Niger from here. So this road is going to span from the River Niger to the cable road that burst out at a traffic light. But however, when we are done, we are going to show you where it connects into Nebisi Road, or Denis Osabebe Road, from that traffic light side. So, but now we are moving close to the termination point where the river will touch the road and see what is going on there. Yes, we are moving closer, and I know that this project, for some time they have been on it, but it seems to lack continuity at a point. So, but I'm glad that they are back on the site now to finish up the project. Well, I don't know if possible we are still going to give you updates concerning this project, but let's have a closer look of what is happening here. So that is it. Yes, this is River Niger, Delta State side. That's the Asaba end. Well, you can see how the place looks like. I believe that when the road is done, government should, have a better plan of how to clean the riverine side. Make it clean. Because I'm seeing a lot of debris and unwanted items around this axis. Well, this boat you are seeing, they are going to Onitsha. They have been on their road to Onitsha. Onitsha, to drive from here to Onitsha should be about maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes you are in Onitsha. So you'll be here now. You see, okay, this one just arrived. And they just arrived from Onitsha. So that is it. Well, let's keep walking around to see the place very, very well. So we are moving towards the connection point of this road, and you can see that this road is not just for bringing in goods and taking it off. It is also a road that will serve people along this community. You know, a lot of people are leaving these axis and they need good road also. So the road also serve them and other economic activities around this axis. So yes, you can see where we came out. This is the road that leads to Cable. This is Cable Road from traffic light, directly from traffic light. So let's move towards that traffic light to have a better and critical look of the road. Yes, this road was done by Okowa in some years back, but the road is still looking good, but it has a lot of sand on it. And if you watch the shape of the road, you know that it's done by a good contractor. I think it's ECC. I believe they are the ones that constructed this road. It's just that the road is left unkept. Everywhere is filled up with sand, just like every other road. So from that traffic light junction, they call it traffic light junction, that big roundabout, we've diverted along Dennis Osadebe Way, moving towards Abraka Park. However, I leave you with the rest of the video. If you are not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscription button, notification bell, like this video and share it to others. Thank you. As you do that, I'm still Chinedu, your presenter.